Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan Wi-Fi QR code on your laptop or PC. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So if you have a Wi-Fi QR code on your laptop or PC, you guys can just simply connect your Wi-Fi password on your PC or laptop through your QR code. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that, you must have the Wi-Fi QR code file. So I have got this file from my Android device and this is here. So you guys must have the QR code file on your laptop or PC. After that, you have to just simply open up any of your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, you have to just simply search for scanqr.org. So you must have to simply copy or paste this URL and this website will open to you. Then you have to just simply click on this select QR code, simply click on this box. So after clicking on that, it will open up the specific files. You have to simply select your QR code file here, and after that it will automatically scan the QR code and tell you the password and Wi-Fi name. Here is the password of your Wi-Fi. So you guys can just simply copy this Wi-Fi password, and here is the name of that specific Wi-Fi. So you have to just simply go to the Wi-Fi section on your PC or laptop. Then you have to simply go to this, click on it to expand your Wi-Fi connections, and simply select that specific Wi-Fi and paste that Wi-Fi password, and you are good to go. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.